been trapping like a trap star. The streets told me I'm a trap god. We flood them bando, then we start pushing. We flood them bando, then we start pushing. I turned the 50 back into a kilo. 18 will look up from my amigo. The streets told me I'm a trap god. The streets told me I'm the trap god. I trap so hard about that fucking bando. Interest money could've bought the Lambo. Heard what's a name, got it for the low. Never see my face, serve a nigga at the peephole. 2 bananas taped up to the Draco. They gon' shoot, they just want my say-so. Baking soda powder, then I whip it up. Water in the tube, then I shook it up. I'ma put the found low so I can cook it up. Or microwave that dope you stole, broke, book me up. Never been a fuck nigga, never been a snitch. Watch me turn this quarter thing to a whole brick. Come up off an ounce of mid, now I'm hood rich. I love a trap hoe, big ol' booty hood bitch. I've been trapping like a trap star. The streets told me I'm a trap god. We flood them bando, then we start pushing. We flood them bando, then we start pushing. I turned the 50 back into a kilo. 18 will look up from my amigo. The streets told me I'm a trap god. The streets told me I'm the trap god. The streets label me the trap god. Cause I sell cushion deal hard. Pussy nigga know that I'm a gangster nigga. Playing with my money, I'm a spanker nigga. Hit a nigga broad day about my ranking nigga. Got them kush boats in, they so stanky nigga. Hooked up with the mob, big bang my nigga. Playing with this IOU1, you gon' get your issue. I've been trapping like a trap star. The streets told me I'm a trap god. We flood them bando, then we start pushing. We flood them bando, then we start pushing. I turned the 50 back into a kilo. 18 will look up from my amigo. The streets told me I'm a trap god. The streets told me I'm the trap god.
Red down so fucking bumpin', bro.
I did numbers out there, ho. God bless the trap. A couple hundreds out there, ho. God bless the trap. Remember I was down broke. God bless the trap. Amigo came through with that dope. God bless the trap. 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 I did numbers out there, ho. God bless the trap. Migo came through with that dope. God bless the trap. Bless the spot. Nigga pull up, it's hot. Four in the split. A stendo on the Glock. Don't ask me will I shoot, cause nigga I been shot. I got a couple $1 million right here on this block. Had a whole chicken on me, had to dodge the knocks. Keep 100 on the float. God bless the spot. Don't let them run up in this hole. God bless the spot. Only thing I'm scared of is going broke. God.
Alright, hello. Is this thing on? Testing 1, 2. I'm free, baby. I'm free. My Lord, we have so much to talk about. Testing 1, 2. We got to make sure we can hear each other first off. My gosh, how's everyone been? Oh my gosh. How's everybody been, man? It's been so long. Kind of, I'm not going to lie. Sometimes, a little bit of solitude is just what a man needs. Boy, I tell you, you can focus, you can read, you can learn, you can work on some of the things you need to get done. Hang on a second here. Testing 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2. Hang on here. 1, 2 testing. Oh my gosh. Wow, our sound doesn't sound too bad for the first time back. Hang on here. Now, hang on here, folks. Let's get this party started. It's time, folks. There's gonna be a handful of lucky people that are going to be able to use My Cipher. Hang on here. Hang on a sec here. Starting today here. Just bear with me one moment here. Let me set the stage. Let me set the stage here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Turn that shit up. Turn that shit up. Come on in. Come on in. We're going to be doing it live. We got a lot of price action to go over and talk about. This should be a jam-packed stream here. Hopefully, you know, the algorithm's doing all right. Hopefully we can get the algorithm back going. But you know what? Screw the algorithm. Because if you are here right now, then you probably deserve to be one of the lucky 100 people that we're opening up the beta test for. So, first off, hang on here. Let me do one more sound test here. One more sound test here. Testing 1 2 1 2. Okay. Is the music good and the sound good? Is everything good? Is everything good? All right. Okay. Gosh, where do we start? We might as well start with the best thing. I'm actually gonna do a little live. I'm gonna do it live. I know people are gonna have a lot of questions here, but let's go and pull up. Made a new little account here, strictly for well, whatever. So, geez, where do we start? Gosh, I don't even know where to start. Here, let's do this. Let's see here. Okay, let's do this here. All right, here's what we're gonna do. Here's what we're gonna do. Okay. So, currently, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 exchanges that have connectability to My Cipher. What is My Cipher? It is the autonomous trade manager. It does not enter the trades, but it does everything else. I could have it enter trades, but I'm not going to. You can do that yourself. But obviously we have the scanner that back does for 3 years. Goes over the last 3 years of candle data, takes all the data points, a bunch of data points, back test backlogs to see what happened with all them data points. Long story short, spits out the real probability of a target. For example, this last one spit out the 87% probability, backtested true probability for the 4-hour 20x long on Bitcoin. Entry was 64,491.1. TP at 65,365. Stop at 6277. So I hit enter trade, and voila. The trade will pop up here, and I'll enter another trade right now. Now, each exchange is a little different. For example, with BitUnix, they do have quote-unquote multi-trade, kind of. What that means is you can be in a long and a short on the same asset. So I could be in a long on whatever time frame I want and a short on Bitcoin. I can be in up to 4 trades total per exchange. if they have multi-trade. So I can be in an ETH long, a Bitcoin short, and a shit token short, a shit token long. 4 trades total. And it'll move the stops, it'll move the TPs, it'll TP, it'll stop, it'll do whatever it wants. Now, why don't we give it a shot live? Let's do it live. Let's take a look. See here. What time is it here? Okay. Let's take a look. See here. Let's do. Let's see here. All right. What token should we give a shot here? What should we do here? Should we do Ethereum? Should we do Hype? Should we do Solano? What should we do? What do you guys want to do? Which one? Tell me. Let's do Solano. Okay, we'll do a little Solano. Go ahead and yeah, let's do Hype. Yeah, we'll get risky. Let's do a little risky. Hype. Now, Hype is one of the hundreds of tokens. Here we go. Okay, so we got a 69% backwards probability. Let's go ahead, pound it in. And there it is. Okay, now let's take a look. See here. Now let's make sure everything is correct here. Let's make sure everything's correct. Damn, it looks like we fucking shorted the bottom here. Okay. All right, let's take a look. See here. Yeah. Okay. So it just goes off. It goes off whatever the current price is, right? And according to these data points, 69% probability that we hit 52.793. And it'll adjust everything. It'll track everything accordingly. We can walk away. We can do whatever we want. And, yep, that's shit. Last 3 trades for 3 out of 4 trades. You know what I'm saying? Doing good. And, for the 12 people that currently have access to my cipher, every single one of them is positive and profitable. Not saying that's gonna be you. I'm not saying whatever. No guarantees here. No guarantees. All right, now listen here, Marco Antonio. Now, first off, I have to be a good, I have to be a responsible adult, mind my P's and Q's. We know we just got out of jail. So these pencil necks that come in here jabbing, I have to ease off my responses. So let me respectfully respond to Marco Antonio, okay? Fuck your RR, okay? Now, when you want to talk about RR, it'll adjust. Just because that's the first thing, that's pretty much never the stop it'll actually take. It'll move the stop, okay? And if you don't like it, go ahead, down. Nobody cares. Nobody cares. If you want, nobody cares, okay? But let's say Marco Antonio stands his ground, but he still wants to be a part of the experience. Maybe he's right. Everyone trades different. Maybe that's how Marco Antonio trades. Well, my friend, you can change all that. Yeah, let me make sure I'm not showing anything personal here, just to make sure here. Okay. No. Okay. No keys are showing. Okay, that's what I thought. Okay. Okay. Alrighty. It is customizable. Okay. Stop percentages, TP percentages, everything is ran through. Everything is ran through here. Everything. The full guide with explanation, everything's there. So what's going to happen, okay, is when what happened to XLM? I don't know. You tell me, bro. What happened to XLM dump? Let's take a look here. It's at 17 cents, whatever. How's our trade doing? You guys, I'm getting distracted here. Okay, we're still in there. Okay, so we are doing a 30-day, 100-person beta test. You are going to have full access. You can run it in real mode with real money, or you can run it in simulation mode. Okay? You know, figure how to use it and shit. You can start with simulation. I have directions on everything. Everything's pretty self-explanatory. If you want to just enter your own trade, maybe you want to enter your own trade and have it managed for you. You're able to force the trade, do everything. You're able to do everything. In my opinion, and you know, there's exceptions to every rule. A human has an easier time entering trades and a harder time managing trades. I understand that more just as much as anybody. A machine spirit. There's bots that can enter trades decently, but overall, it's hard for a bot to catch a reversal. Humans overall are better at entering position, but the machine spirits, if you have a good rule set, are better at managing the trades. More times than not, if I go against my cipher, I'm wrong and it's right. More times than not. And you know, it's going to come down to you. You know, you don't have to don't believe anything anybody says. But for this kind of stuff, there has to be a lot of testing. And so we have created a Discord channel that is closed currently, the Market Cipher beta test. I'm going to supply you a link. I can give you that link right now. It's going to open up a form, and all we need is your email and your Discord. Your email, we're going to email you the sign up link. Here's the deal. We are looking for people who, number one, actively trade. Number two, are going to actively use this. And see if you're broke as fuck and you don't have any money, you can still use it in simulation mode. We want to hear your opinions, even though most of them stink. And we want to answer your questions. There's going to be a lot of questions. And all the questions, everything, we're going to need for FAQs and whatnot. So I'm going to do a poll. And here's what we're going to do. I'm going to do a poll just to get an idea. There's 600 people watching. Okay, here's my question. If you are in beta for My Cipher, will you really use it for 30 days? Okay, there it is. There it is. Now, here's what I will say. a 69% probability is not 100%, and this number will change. Now, there's so many details to go over. So when we do a scan like we did on this one, and we enter the trade, it is managing this position going through all time frames. So checking the 1, 3, 5, 15 hour, 4 hour, daily, in order to make its managing calculation. If you force a trade, so like if you come up with a trade that you want yourself, you choose the time frame, it just sticks with that time frame. Now, what you can do, let's say you want to be in 2 different Bitcoin longs, one on the 15, one on the hourly. As it is now, and I've been trying to get these Chinese, how's our fucking trade doing? People are we okay, good. I have been working with these exchanges to have them give us true multi-trade. True multi-trade is like kind of like breakout prop, where every single trade you enter, no matter what, is its own separate trade. These Chinese exchanges don't like doing that. None of them. They'll have hedge mode where you can be in a long and a short at the same time, and you can add to it. But you can't be in the same direction on the same token. So what you can do is you can have your BitUnix, a Blowfin, and a BitGet, and a Hyperlick. And let's say, okay, I'm in 2, I'm used up on my Bitcoin longs and whatever on my BitUnix. All I got to do is simply click the Blowfin, and I can enter another Bitcoin long. And so you can have 4 exchanges plugged in and it running at the same time. No, it doesn't, Rohan. No, it doesn't. Maybe we have to. What do you have to change it to fucking cross? We'll do it with cross. Jesus Christ, let's find out. I don't know if I can adjust it. I mean, this shouldn't make a difference, but we can give it a shot. No, these fucking exchanges don't. But if you're saying cross it does, we'll see. But no, Blowfin did for a little bit, but no. At least not on the derivative. Maybe on fucking spot. Do you have it on fucking... I need to stop. Do you have it on cross? Is it because you have it on cross, Ryder? Let's take a look. See here. I'm a little nervous trying this, but let's see here. All right, let's see. Let's see if I let's see. What if I just do this? Let's do a little. You're saying we can use separate. God damn! Well, see, what the fuck? What the fuck? Well, anyways, you can only do it on fucking hedge mode with 2 pairs. So, the LLM has to read fucking 1 position at a time. All right. But hopefully we can have that, Hey, go fuck yourself, bro. You're a fucking, oh my God, dude. Oh, you guys are so, oh man. You guys are gonna piss me off. I'm gonna have to just not fucking make any videos. Because I have to be a good boy. We're fresh out of jail. Fucking, you know, sorry I actually do shit and I have a fucking life. Sorry, I'm not sitting. Never mind. Anyways. We're gonna have to make a backup channel. Make a backup channel. Anyways, so you're able to do 1 fucking long and 1 fucking short. All right. If you want to be in separate longs or separate shorts of the same token, you're gonna have to do it on a different exchange. All your questions, all your concerns, and all your questions will be answered, and all your concerns will be handled. So let's see here. All right, now let's take a look here. All right, and yeah, let me see if I can get you the link here. How'd our poll go? 81%. Okay. So I do have a short list of shoe-ins we're gonna put in, but let me see if this link is ready for you guys. Talking about YouTube jail, dog. YouTube jail. I was in YouTube jail for having a certain 2 words in the title of a video. And, well, let's see here. Hopefully this link works. And, I just hope that these 100 people, whoever you 100 people are going to be, that, you know, you guys really give it a go and participate. You, if you're not in the Market Cipher Discord, well, I guess you just won't be in the Discord, but whatever. What do you mean, bro? I use Hike and the Sheet candles all the time, dog. I use them both. I use them both. But when I'm tracking live price action, I want to see the live price. I use them both, my friend. I use them both. Okay.
Are you guys ready? It's a race. It's first come, first serve.
Hang on. Let me make sure this link works. Oh boy. All right. I'm about to drop the sign up link. Now let me be clear. After the 30 days, you're cut off, okay? And you're gonna have to pay like everybody else. So this isn't, hey, you're getting My Cipher for free for life. You're getting it for free, full access for 30 days.
Are you ready?
There's the link. Now, there is, let me see here. Let me see here. Let me see here. Oh, what happened here? Oh, what happened? Oh, there it is. Okay. See that little sound? Check this out. Check it out. See, just now it added a trail stop. That was that little sound. Although we're gonna have to change that sound. You can use it on these 4 exchanges: Blowfin, BitUnix, Hyperlick, and BitGet. Now let's see here. Okay, so this is the hype trade, I believe. It probably moved the stop. Yes. Okay, every 5 minutes it updates you with everything. It'll have multiple stops. It can have multiple TPs. It will TP some. It does everything but enter your trades for you. If you want to manually, watch your trade, you can. And, if you want to go to bed, you can just let it do it. I have an idea. Can you hear me? Hello. Did I just tell this? Hello. Okay. As far as pricing, I have an idea, but I'm not going to tell you what it is. There's going to be multiple options. I believe there's going to be. What I'm thinking is there's going to be an option where it's just a scanner, just to help you with trade entries. And then obviously an option that includes the autonomous, or maybe just an option where it's just sim mode. And then we need like a whale option, maybe for like affiliate pay or something. I'd like to have maybe 3 options, but I have an idea of what the price is going to be. It's not going to be too much. I'm thinking
Just under $10,000 for a 6-month subscription.
No, I'm just kidding. No, it's got to be affordable. At this day and age, you want monthly shit at a low price where it's low enough for people to forget about it on the credit card. You can stack up sales for a couple of years and exit. Sell it to some Chinese. Not saying that's what I'm going to do, but it's an option. What was I doing? Okay. Oh, yes. There is a extensive walkthrough here. Hang on here. So, a couple weeks ago, my computer started doing this humming thing or like every 20 seconds it'll go. It sounds like it's a phone vibrating. It's doing that right now here. Hang on, let me see if pull this up for you guys. Hang on, give me 1 second. Okay, I'm still here. I'm still here. Everyone, hold your horses. Hold your horses. No, actually, I'm not going to share this. I'm not going to share this yet. I'm not going to share this yet. Anyways, it's you'll have a full. It goes. Anyway, so this is the beginning of a new age. Beginning of a new age. I think everyone is going to like it. It gives you a nice sense of calm. It's like you have backup. It's calculated data. Autonomy. Let's see if I can any questions? Any questions? I'm probably not going to answer them. Any questions? Yeah. Hang on here. What time is it? Anyways, I do want to do. We have a lot of analysis to go over on a lot of things. But there's a lot of shit to go over. Central Command stuff. I mean, I have like 2 or 3 videos I got to push out. On Central Command, over 30% of created bots are profitable. I did enjoy my time off. No, you do not need to use a VPN to run MY CIPHER. You'll get the email later today, probably. Man, you know, RSIs, we're low here. Momentum going up on the weekly on Bitcoin. Alrighty. What's the 3-day looking like? Little trigger wave, but is it a false one? We got the 2-day, the daily. Daily, here we go. These RSIs are still gapped. My overall thought, it's almost kind of like 2019. We had gapped RSIs, then it goes, it comes down, bottoms, and then we have intertwined RSIs for the true bull run. That's what happened in 2019. I pay attention to these RSIs because they're important. And it's the real deal. We got a little clipping right here. Potential trigger wave, VWAP oscillation coming up. It's 12-hour looking like. 12-hour money flow coming up a little bit. What day is it today? Tuesday? Wednesday? It's Wednesday. It's Thursday. Oh my God. Perfect day to launch. Yeah, you know, I've had a fan. I need to take this computer in. it's hard for me to even focus and talk to people with this thing humming. Okay. All right. Look at that. What time is it? Damn, market opens here soon. Damn, the Fed meetings. What Fed meetings today? What is it today? CPI, BPI. Do we have CPI, PPI today? Look, we might want to just take this money. I'm not gonna take this bread. And now's not the time to fucking hold trades. We gotta get in, get out. We gotta get in and get out. Anyways, I've been buried in my work like a prisoner that I have been. And you know, we were banned for 7 days, suspended for 7 days, which was really 11 days. They told me 7 days. It was 11. Because when I lost the appeal, it restarted. Grab a drink. Yes, I believe, I think everyone's really going to enjoy My Cipher. I really think they are. I think it's the next big thing coming out of this camp. It's the next big thing coming out of the camp. So yeah. I'm looking forward to everyone's feedback. And I hope that it makes everyone a better and more profitable trader. And you know, here's what I'll say, man, woman. It is the dog days of summer right now. Right now, it's about pure stone cold survival. This is pure survival. It would be a shame to lose all your money before the good times. And the good times will come eventually. Man, last year at this time, I was losing my ass. Lost my ass. And let me show you something else. Okay? Here's your proof. Okay? This deserves a video in itself. Never before have the heat maps looked like the Chinese Darth Vader Imperial forces, where it's copy-pasted liquidity starships. There is no real money. That's why exchanges are starting to go down, because there is no real money. It's all copy and pasted price points, even to the amounts. Look at this. It's all the same. And it's been like this for a month, and I've never seen that before. Never. Because there is no human money anymore. It's gone. Everybody got fucking wrecked. Or maybe you're waiting for better times. But you could basically look at this. Here's the starship. Copy and paste. Here's the starship. This was a starship. Here's the starship. Here's the starship. Even the lines in between are the same. Look at this line right here. Look at this. And look at that. And it was like that. Never before have I seen it like this. It's pure. It's just the market maker by themselves. And if $1 of a human's money comes up, you know what's going down. Take some profits on this. I should have taken profit already, but it's no big deal. Lock it in. Lock it in. How's our autonomous? Oh, look at that. Oh, we're in the green. We're in the green on both. We're in the green on both. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on down. Huh? Come on down. Yes. Let me post link again. Again, we are, if you're just joining us, we are opening the 30-day My Cipher beta test today. I'm going to post the link in the chat again. It just requires your email and Discord. Some exchanges will go down. The shitter, listen, no one was using BitMEX anymore. If you were, you're a retard. And no one was using whatever Bitmart. Listen, in these bear times, you got to cut off the fat. You got to trim the fat off the beef. We will send you an email. If you are selected for the beta, you'll get an email maybe later today. Time is it? So, okay, we got a little time to do a little, all right. Gold. Look at gold, nice R size in the 10-minute. Now the daily, look at the daily, okay? There is an inkling of hope here for gold, man. These R size need to start coming up. We have a good sign with some momentum waves right here. This is a decent sign for gold. Boy, is this the last of the Mohicans for gold. I don't know if it's gonna last. Go to the 12-hour. R size are starting to pick up a little bit of strength. And they're relatively close together. I'm ready for gold to start creeping up again, even if it's one more hoorah before shit hits the fan. Go to the weekly. But we do have a big boy green dot right here. Momentum is dip. VWAP's coming up a little bit. Gapped red R size. Sometimes those puppies snap, boy, just like the next time they snap it up. If you are selected for the My Cipher beta test, and again, you're going to have a complete walkthrough. It's 60 pages long. There's 60 pages of shit explaining every detail. Each exchange and all the different LLMs, I prefer ChatGPT. It's the simplest one. It's all very simple. You'll have all the instructions. You have everything you need. And again, you can have up to 4 positions total per exchange. On BitUnix, I can have a Bitcoin long, a Bitcoin short, an Ethereum long, and a Solana long. 4 positions total. You can use Claude. You can use Claude. You can use Claude. So if I got my 4 positions open on BitUnix, I can switch it to Blowfin, bang out some more. And it's cheap. The LLMs, it runs cheap. Been able to get the cost effectiveness down. I mean, when I'm pushing this thing, doing 25 trades 24/7, it's like a couple bucks a day. And that's like going ham super crazy. There will be an affiliate program. And again, there is a Discord group for the beta testers. You will be invited into the group if you're one of the lucky 100 selected. We're going to start with the 100. Who knows? Maybe we'll add in more. After the 30 days, it's over. It's over. But this is man, looking forward to this journey with all of you. Looking forward to it. And again, you can run it in simulation mode. Once you figure out your bearings, you can do sim mode, so you don't have to use real money at first. How do you enter? There's the link. Click that link, put in your email, Discord username. The LLM reads the data basically and spits it out in English or Spanish. Basically, it explains to you what is going on. Here it's on Blowfin. Here. So, for example, we're on the hype currently, and every 5 minutes it spits out what's going on. If it changes trail stop, it fucking exits, if it takes profit, and it's going over all of the timelines, all of the time frames. It uses all time frames, and everything is adjustable. You can adjust everything. Ethereum is at an important resistance line right here. What line is this? Boy, what going on? Oh, what was that sound? What was that sound? Let's take a look. Okay, switch that trail stop on hype. makes little sounds. And yeah, we're pumped. We are pumped. It is technically self-learning because every day the more candle data it gets, well then technically the better and the more back testing it gets. So yes, over time. Right now, it's going off of the past 3 years. What time is it? Okay, we got 3 minutes till market open. Oh boy, oh boy. ITC. What's ITC? Oh, into the crypto. What's ITC? What does ITC mean? Is that Art Deco or whatever that shit is? What's ITC stand for? Inner Circle Trader. Oh, those guys? Oh, the ICT. That's now. Fuck those guys, dude. Those guys are goons. I can't believe how popular that shit is. I can't believe I'm telling you, any goon can. Man, that guy don't even trade live. I gotta be careful. I really gotta choose it, man. It's really hard not saying words I'm not supposed to say. And listen, I'm a wacko too. I know I'm a clown, but that guy is a clown. That guy is a clown. The creator of that shit, I don't know how he somehow summoned all these Instagram kids in their curly hair. But God bless them. Listen, everyone trades differently. I wish them all success. But no, whatever. I need a snack.
Gentlemen in the mix.
ICT videos that I've seen, it's just some English teenager with a small round Adam's apple that looks here. Okay, here's their chin, there's their lips. Hang on. Here's the person's head and their neck looks like that. And they go, I've made $100,000 using this trade setup every day. And they can't even look in the camera. And they go, when there's one candle like this and one candle like that, you get it right there and get out right there. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow, I'm able to get a lima. We can buy a can of beans. You enter right here. We gotta get out right there right after. We gotta get in right there really quick. Good to be back. Good to be back. When is it? No, I fuck with Ben Cohen. I fuck with him. He's good. When is this Miami event? I love Miami. I love Miami. Boy, and they love confusing words. They like do a whiteboard thing and they just flood you with definitions of bullshit. You see, confidence. You gotta have confidence in the setup if it's a fucking duh. And then you have to have time to have confidence of when you want to do it. And we call this CT D. Confidence, time, and derivative. What time is it? Okay, market's open. All right, well, good thing we took some profits here. So you gotta have confidence. You gotta have the time. Well, we got a little spider line. Boy, I'll tell you, we got some spider lines right. We might need to take this shit. We might need to take this. The rest of this. Might need to take the rest of this. I don't know. I kind of want to let it ride. And listen, you know, that's why I have so much respect for these gentlemen and some gentlewomen that trade live daily. You know, I'm not as active as I used to be. You know, I've been here for almost a decade now with you people. And, you know, is it a coincidence that the majority of these true daily live traders are market cipher constituents? Jason Casper, Alexo Crypto, Geo, Evan Aldo, what's the fuck, dude? Frankie. You know, they're lifer. So yeah, there's guys doing I don't even know about. There's guys doing I don't even know about. There's always freshy. There's always new market cipher live fucking traders all the time. But boy, I tell you, you don't see these ICT goons trading live, especially with their own money. I know Lifer doesn't use market cipher, but I was saying I have respect for the handful of people who do trade live on a regular basis. You know, I'm not trying to throw, you know, never mind. It's just, hindsight is so easy, man. Hindsight is 2020. It's so easy to go back and be like, yeah, well, you know, I wanted this was a fucking blah, that thing, a little blah, little shit right there. This one isn't obvious. This was fucking obvious. This was obvious. I mean, everyone knew that. You know, back here we had the range, and you know, right there was an obvious fickle dickle and a CTI, and there was a border block right there, and a catch, you caught a pickle right there. This was obvious. Right on it, Baba. What's the spell line at? 64.6. What's our entry? Ooh, it's right out our fucking entry. Man, I feel like it's Monday today. I feel like it's Monday today. Again, if you're just joining us, later today, emails are going out to those who applied for My Cipher 30-day beta test. There's the link. We just need your Discord and your email, and if you're one of the lucky chosen, you'll get an email sometime later today. But maybe tomorrow, but probably today. See if I have the walkthrough here. Hang on. The screen is black. Everyone just hold your horses. Hold your horses. Let me see here. Alright, forget it. There's no point in showing it. There's no point in showing it. Oh, look who joined us here. Look who joined us. It's the ICT trader. It's the ICT guy. Here. ICT guy. And he says, the token ICT saying, I made $100,000. Yeah, bro, it only plugs into 4 exchanges currently. the exchanges are as follows, and we'll, maybe add more. Unix, Blowfin, Hyperlick, and BitGet. I'm telling you, these blue triangles, man. They mark the trend change. People love them blue triangle tops.
Move towards that challenge, whatever that challenge is. And you may be successful, and you may not be successful, but you will be better.
I don't recommend anything. I recommend nothing, Schnitzel. I have no recommend. Oh my gosh! Which reminds me, speaking of Unix, I believe our first drawing. Kind of went. Damn, I should have added here. Let's see here. Let me see here. Who wants $20,000? Let's give away $20,000. We've been giving away $40,000 a week for like 10 weeks now. We're about to give another $20,000 right now. Let's see who the winners are. Hopefully I'm a winner. Let me see here. Gosh, it's been so long. I've been gone for like 2 weeks. YouTube jail. Okie dokie. Okay. Go to the lottery. Alrighty. Here we go. Am I a winner? Am I a winner? Am I a winner? How did I not win? Why did I win one cheat? Congratulations. All of these people get $1,000. Wow, no double winners this week for this one. Post this. Space. I can't zoom out here. All right. What? Oh. Whoops. There we go. This week's 1K winners. Here you go. Wish I would win. Oh, we're pumping. Fuck, I knew I should have entered. Damn it, I knew I should have added. Let's see how our autonomy's going. Oh, it exited the hype trade. Must have hit the stop. Yep, it hit the stop. And this one this one doesn't count. This one doesn't count. So we entered that before it's closing to see if there was true multi-trade. You won? Nice. You join the lottery by clicking the link in the description. And you don't got to do shit but trade as you normally do. It's all autonomy. Autonomy. Damn. Should we take some profits here? Man, these R sizes look so good, though. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Ooh. Oh, shit. Oh. I want to add more. Ooh, look at them all. Ooh, boy. Oh, boy. I'll tell you. Woo, look at that 4 hour. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Yes, Johnny. I believe so. man. If you're just joining us and you want to be a part of the My Cipher, where is it here? Dude, this guy, you're so annoying, bro. Shut up, dude. God. I'm booting, bro. You're always spamming, dog. You're always spamming. I'm sorry, but you have to go, dog. You got to go. Especially. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm gonna change the music here. I know what I want to hear, listen to. Troll.
I want something sex. I can find it.
We didn't enter a Solano trade. We entered a hype trade. It hit the stop. We did not enter a Solano trade.
Yeah, stay like this. Give me your energy.
Boy, look at them score. Boy, I tell you. I'm thinking overall, I think we bottomed. I think we overall bottomed. We might revisit the bottom one more time. I'm thinking the weekly has not confirmed that yet, though, for sure. But the daily, you know what I'm saying? The daily, you know what I'm saying, man? These are gapped RSIs. Gapped RSIs, man. Them pumps are way more likely not to hold until these RSIs snap together.
Yeah, like this.
Damn, I want to add to this. I think it's going to go up more. Yep. Fuck it. All of it. We're back, baby. We're back. We're out of jail. We're back. And we're going to try to stay out. That means, man, the pencil neck lawnmower, I'm telling you, if one of them pencil neck sticks their neck out of the grass, mow them down. Mow them. Why is Trump on the chart? Hang on, buddy. Hang on. Was it hype? No. Was it Bitcoin? Was it this one? Was it this? Where's the chart with the face on it? Oh, this one right here. Oh, this is Donald Trump. Oh, yes. Well, he's got a thicker neck than that. No, the movie did not have anything to do with it. There was 2 words that were in one of my titles, and that's what got me. Out of all the things on YouTube, all the things that I've said, that's what did me in. Keep going. No! Oh. You know what? How is our My Cipher trade doing here? Let's take a look. See here. Ooh, baby. The TP's at 65,365, baby. I'm telling you, baby. My Cipher, My Cipher. My diaper. In a diaper. I'm in a diaper. Read them in wheat, baby. Read them in wheat. 87% chance. 87% probability at that time. At the time. Oh, shit's hitting the fan. Oh, we spoke too soon. We spoke too soon. Now it's fucking CPPI day today. Shit. Shit. Meta tanks. Microsoft jumps 14%. Fuck. Yes, dump. We need this. I got some puts in on this performance food company. It's a small food company. They've been pumping, but a little birdie came and rested on my stoop. And apparently their sales have been tanking this summer, this year. But man, who knows? A company can be going to shit, but the price can keep going up. It's according to the chart, and not really. My buddy's a caddy on a golf course, and he was caddying for this fucker.
I mean, he wouldn't lie to the caddy, would he?
Oh boy, I don't know, guys. I don't know about this. Oh. Boy, I hope My Cipher takes some profits here soon. I'm a little worried. Just take some profit. Good to be back. Boy, I don't know about this one, guys. We might have to run. Oh, Jesus. Oh, fuck. Yeah. Not looking good. Big candle right here. It's a big candle. Loser. It's a loser candle. Oh! What's your UID, dog? I'll send it to my guy. What's your UID? will send it to my man at BitUnix. And after that, it's out of my hands. Now, if you're just joining us, today we are beginning the My Cipher 30-day full access. All right, let me copy this for you, buddy. Full access. Oh, shit. I almost did something bad there. Okay. Don't want to make you a moderator, that's for darn sure. Okay. Let me send it to my guy here. Let me send it to my guy. Thank you, bro. Yeah. All right, listen, buddy. I sent your UID to my guy. Good luck. All right, how are we doing here? All right, in there. Now, as I was saying, the My Cipher beta test is starting today. If you want to be a part of it, let me see here. I'm going to send you a link. Oh, I'm going to put a link in the chat. Only 100 people for now will be chosen. You will be added to the private Discord channel. Let me see here. There's the link. If you're one of the lucky chosen, you'll maybe get an email later today. Oh. All right, got your UID, dog. Chill. All right, I sent it. All right, don't make me delete the message I sent. Come on, baby. Boy, look at that. Boy, look at that. That's right, today marks the beginning of a good thing. You're sick of the range? Well, it's going to keep ranging more because there's no more humans even left. It's all Chinese Imperial starships that can't even hide. They're copy-paste of every single position down below. It's all controlled. It's all for you. Boy, it's not looking good now. It's not looking good. It's looking good. It's looking bad. bad. Okay, we gotta turn this. This isn't. Hang on here. Damn, this girl's going crazy. This girl's gone crazy. Oh my gosh. Damn. Damn. Boy, I tell you, dare we, you know, the best time to run a scan and enter trade typically isn't after a major move. You know, you're asking for it. We can make an exception. We can make an exception. Oh, 4 hour long. I don't want to do. Let's try that. Let's do an hourly. Let's go. Let's have it do the hourly. All right. We're doing it live. We're doing it live. Here it is. And let's run it one more time. Launch. The autonomy. The autonomy. Now, would I recommend doing it this time? No. No. But I want you to see how it works. I want you to see how it works. When the wins, losses, goods, and the bads. It'll adjust this stop loss. It'll adjust everything. It'll do everything. Just not enter more. Fuck! Oh. Well, we've ruined our position. We took profits. We added at the top. We've secured profits, though. You know, $17,000. That's, you know, you can do a lot with 17,000. Do a lot with 17,000. You can have a good time. 17,000 probably change. I tell you what. We're going to do a new poll question. We're going to do a poll. And you never know what could happen here. Start a poll. Fuck, we're going to have to close this. If I gave you $17,000. Well, let me say this. Would $17,000 change your life? Fuck. I don't like this. I don't like this at all. I don't like this shark fin. That's bad. That's bad. Fuck. This is what happens. This is what happens when I start fucking Straight trading live. Gotta trade live. We gotta have a good time. We're a crypto. If we have a good time, we're here to have a good time. Boy, I tell you, these, this is, oh man, when it makes that little like triangle and then has a shark fin, that's bearish, man. That's bearish, man. That's bearish, man.
But I just. But I believe. I believe. Please. Please. Me. Me.
Yep, no, this is no bueno. No fucking bueno! Jesus Christ! This is going down. It's going down. Now it's going up! Now it's going up! First off, hold on, hang on, everyone. Everyone, hold on. We got a weirdo in the chat here. We got a weirdo here. K169. What are you doing watching me? You're probably jacking off, you fucking weirdo. Everyone point and laugh at the fucking weirdo. Point and laugh at the weirdo. Weirdo. Get mad, boy. Get mad behind that keyboard with your curly finger. You curly finger. Salad finger looking ass. Fuck, you know. I'm sure, you know. Never mind. Anyways, I'm going to post the link one more time. Let's see here. Many have and will apply. Only 100 are going to be selected. Probably by the end of day today. These 100 people will have access to My Cipher for 30 days. 30 days. After that, it's taken away. We might add more. We might not. But that's pretty much it. We're out of fucking YouTube jail. We should fucking short this. This thing's coming down. Definitely one for the pattern books. Any triangle into the shark fin, that's bearish. It's like a 90% accurate pattern. So I was gonna give away the profit we took today to one lucky person, but I changed my mind. Anyways, good to be back. I'll long it as soon as the stream's over. Toodaloo.